Okay, the first step to get the best wash as possible if you have long hair is to comb it out. It might be a little painful. I might have to take some aspirin after that. The next step is to simply apply your shampoo and start washing your hair. Now that I wet my hair and I apply my shampoo to my hand, you want to put about this much, like about a quarter size of shampoo in your hand. And here's an important thing, don't just mash it down your hair. Make sure you get it all the way in your hands. Now, go ahead and apply. You should only wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week. Washing your hair every day can dry your scalp and cause dandruff. Here's an important technique, the circular motion. It's almost like you massaging your scalp. The advantages of washing your hair is that it repairs and causes less damage to your hair, keeps your hair silky and smooth, provides a pleasant smell, and most importantly, the women like it. I'm mainly using my palms. After the circular motion, here's another technique that you want to use, the scratch motion. You just scratch your hair and it feels real good. It feels like a massage. Just scratching. Studies show that men that wash their hair on a regular basis date more women than guys that don't wash their hair at all. Each one you want to do about 30 seconds to a minute. The shampoo is deep in my hair. Some of y'all want a whole lot of shampoo that's just frizzing. Yeah, you can do that, but the shampoo is deep down in my scalp and it's giving it what it needs. So now I'm going to wash it out. Next step is conditioner. It gives your hair shine, gives your hair the moisture and the nutrients that it needs. Basically, conditioner is food for your hair. Shampoo is what cleans it. Conditioner is the food. Now I'm going to feed my hair. I'm going to do the same thing. But this is a technique that I really want y'all to know. I'm mainly going to use my fingertips for this technique, for the conditioner. I'm getting it, okay, I spread it in all the way around. I love the way it tingles. That's when you know you got a good conditioner. When you feel that tingle and the smell, ooh, I'm using all fingertips for this. Conditioning your hair should only be done once or twice a week, and it should only follow after you have washed your hair completely. Let your conditioner stay in for about a minute or two. After a minute or two, it's time to wash the conditioner out. Okay, I finished washing and conditioning my hair. Now I look like baby buckwheat. For those of y'all who don't know who buckwheat is, go ahead and YouTube them. You're already on YouTube. YouTube buckwheat and you'll see what I'm talking about. Now it's time I can put my product in. I can put a pomade in, hair gel in. If you have shorter hair, you can put a wave cream in. Some people like to use coconut oil. You can apply your coconut oil. You can use a water-based gel. If you have long, straight hair, you can use a water-based gel. It'll give you the hold that you want. I'm gonna go ahead and use a gel. And I'm getting the gel, I'm getting it deep down in there. I'm using all the techniques, using the scratch, I'm using the circle, I'm using the finger. I'm getting that gel all in there. I'm gonna use a curl sponge. If you do have a curl sponge, you don't wanna press too hard. If you have a lot of hair, you wanna press kind of light. Get the top basically. Now my hair is to my liking. I think I might call that girl that I went out with when I was 16. Let me show her what the grown-up Garrick looks like. Hey look, that's a simple way to wash your hair, condition it, and style it yourself. And I'll holler at y'all next time.